Hey, what's up everybody? It's Uncle Mad back here again. I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna make some tacos for dinner. Don't really have a Did you hear that? Did the video catch that? Sorry, my bad. Don't really have a recipe, don't have a plan. Just went to the store. I was like, tacos sound good. Let's have tacos for dinner. It's not Tuesday though, so I don't know if I'm even allowed to do this, but we're calling this an unofficial Taco Tuesday vlog because I'm gonna make tacos. I just grabbed some random stuff. There was no rhyme or reason or plan. I just grabbed what looked good. We're gonna throw it all together and we're gonna have ourselves a delicious taco dinner on an unofficial Taco Tuesday, not taking place on an actual Tuesday. Join us, please. Enjoy. All right, so we're not gonna cook till a little bit later. It's only like 3 o'clock right now, but I gotta marinate. I'm not usually a marinade person when it comes to steak. Oh, we're doing steak tacos, by the way. I got just a basic flank steak here. But I don't know, I was just wandering around the grocery store, just looking for inspiration, looking for ideas, and I saw this Private Selection Mexican-inspired carne asada marinade, and it was like steak tacos, carne asada marinade. Just makes sense, worth trying. So we're gonna throw this in the bag, marinate it up for a few hours till we cook later, and eventually we'll be having steak carne asada tacos. Guess we use the whole bottle. I don't know. Don't really need to save this. I don't have any use for it beyond today, so we'll just give it a whirl. Put it on there. Uh-oh, please don't spill. Don't spill. Just gonna get mad if I spill everything on the table. Oh boy. Smells pretty good. Alright. There we have it. Little marinade action going there. We'll throw that in the refrigerator, and later on tonight, steak tacos coming your way. Alright, it is a few hours later. The steak's been marinating. We're going to throw it on the grill. This should be a pretty quick cook because all we really got to do is grill the steak, toast the tortillas a little bit. So 10-minute cook, 5-minute for the steak to rest, 15 minutes total cook time. Prep time, that's where you're gonna get most of it because we gotta do a little stuff to get ready. We're gonna make a crema, which of course is Spanish for aioli. So I'm gonna do about half mayo, half sour cream. Throw in a little bit of this Valentino, is that right? Valentina, salsa picante, a little lime, a little bit of the Tajin, a little salt, pretty easy standard stuff. Nothing overcomplicated. Let's see how this is. Ooh, that's good. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of this in with our slaw. We're gonna put slaw on the tacos. We're gonna save most of it just to have it as like a garnish on its own on the sandwich. Let's throw a scoop in, 2 scoops in there. Mix and match with the good old slaw. Let's see how this slaw has turned out here. All right. We're all good to go here. Just gotta cook. Do want to highlight, I'm not a drinker, but when I do these videos, I like to find something I can go with them. So I went up to a sales associate grocery store. I said, I'm planning to have a cocktail or a beverage with my meal tonight. I'm having tacos, but I'm not a drinker. What should I do? He said, try these Ranch Rita Margarita Style Classic with agave nectar and a taste of lime premium brewed beverage. I believe it's like a hard seltzer, but like a margarita, so cheers. Tastes like what I assume a margarita tastes like, but I've never had one, so if you like margaritas, you'd probably like this. Let's cook a steak. All right, out on the Blackstone, obviously nice and preheated. Got our steak, it's been marinated, looks really, really good. Jesta said it smelled delicious right when I took it out of the marinade bag, so something in there has awoken her hunger for the steak. So a little salt and pepper. And away we go. So while the steak's cooking, we gotta also toast up our tortillas. We got corn tortillas tonight, so we'll just toast up a few of these. Get them ready to go. A little oil.
Probably mentioned this in taco videos before, but a little trick we stole from Blue Apron back in the day when we used to get Blue Aprons is salting the tortillas. Basically, Blue Apron has taught us that you just put salt on everything every step of the way. Never too much salt. All right, steak's been resting for about 8 minutes. Let's get a little slice there and see how it turned out. Good flavor. Really good flavor. All right, everything is ready to go. All that's left to do is to build some tacos. Jessica, come and get it. Oh, Moo Moo wants to come have a taco. Do you want a taco?
Give her some taco.
No taco for you. All right, let's see how we did. Bone apple teas. So I've just kind of thrown this together on a whim. This turned out very good. What do you think, Jessica?
It's really good. Good job, Uncle Matt. What?
All right, good tacos, easy, super easy. Just kind of threw it all together really good for a, random weeknight dinner. But the good news is, got plenty of leftover steak, got more leftover tortillas. I think we've got a setup to do some delicious steak breakfast tacos with the leftover steak and tortillas we have. So I'm gonna add that onto the end of this video as making some breakfast tacos out of the leftover steak. So I'm gonna just do a little time warp and transport you to when we make the breakfast tacos. So enjoy the journey. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, as promised, we're back out here for breakfast tacos now. Probably not the best idea to do this right now. We got a wind advisory going on out in Nashville, but promises made, promises delivered. That's what we do here on the channel. Got our leftover steak. Throw that down, just let it get reheated a little bit. It was a good medium rare, so we won't have it too badly overcooked when it comes up. Torties. I tend to stir my eggs in a coffee cup, which is dangerous because often in the morning I'll be doing multiple things while I'm making breakfast, and I'll grab the coffee cup that has eggs in it and want to take a little sip ski, and knock on wood, I haven't drank eggs yet, but I guess that's good for you. Rocky did it, so why not? I'm actually going to build these directly on the griddle today. So we're going to got our crema again, just a little bit on there. A little bit of the cheese right in so it'll melt down nicely. Got a little bit of bacon because it is breakfast. Avocado from Mexico. Definitely have more toppings than will fit on in these tacos, but so be it. All right, here we have it. Breakfast tacos with our leftover steak. These are piping hot, probably too hot to eat, but whatever. Bone apple teas. These are better than the original tacos. I should have just done breakfast tacos from the get-go. These are better than the tacos we had last night. Thanks for joining us on the taco journey. More to come as always. Subscribe to the channel with the bell turned on for notifications. Goodbye. Oh yeah, you gotta see a little bit of Mr. Cat here. Let me go get him. In honor of Taco Day on the channel, here is Mr. Cat as a taco. Bonus shot of Moo Moo. You're free! Go away, Moo Moo. Good girl.